Hi everyone, I'm Mindy, and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts July 2023 My Monthly Hero Classic and Premium Kit. In the video today, I will walk you through the contents of each kit and share inspiration from the creative team. Our July release is taking you on a trip outdoors enjoying beautiful wildflower fields and scenic settings perfect for a picnic. The classic kit includes a 6x8 clear stamp set, 8-piece dandelion fancy die set, Parkland window fancy die, linen cling stamp, and blue to green reactive ombre ink pad. The premium kit includes everything from the classic plus 11 picnic basket fancy dies, 2 picnic scenic fancy dies, 45-piece wildflower ephemera pack, 2 sheets of white wood grain cardstock measuring 5.5 by 8.5, and 2 sheets of pesto and passion flower cardstock measuring 5.5 by 8.5. Here is a closer look at that 6x8 clear stamp set included in the classic and premium kit. We have some beautiful wildflower silhouette images and also some critters to build up your scene, along with many coordinating sentiments. And this is the linen cling stamp included in that classic kit. Here is a look at the dandelion fancy dies in which I cut from some white cardstock. There are also some pieces of grass that you can die cut from colored cardstock, and the window die to create a fun little outdoor picnic scene. Here is a look at the linen cling stamp that you can use with a stamping positioner or all on its own by removing the backing of that stamp. Now we can take a closer look at that clear stamp set and what it stamps out. So here are some images I have stamped out, just doing two-tone coloring with my ink pads. Some of the sentiments include find your bliss, have a beautiful day, friend, explore nature, go wild, life's a picnic, you're the best, and hello. And all of these images are so great for building a scene. Next, we can take a look at the ephemera pack, and there are 45 pieces of ephemera in this pack ready for your projects. They are already pre-printed and have color on them, and there's such an assortment of color and the wildflowers. There's even some little critters in here to help fill in your scene. These are great not only for some quick card projects, but also in your scrapbooking, or even your journaling. This next one is for your picnic scene. So here we have a die that cuts out like a riverbank, so we have some water in the background. And then we also have a die that cuts out a picnic scene. So you can see here when I hold it up closer to the camera, we have a picnic blanket, some plates, a picnic basket, and also a chair. You can also add this to the window scene from previously shown. Now here's a look at how these dies would layer together to create a scene. You can see there's even some fun images stamped towards the bottom. Last but not least, we can take a look at the picnic fancy dies. These have all been die cut from white cardstock and colored in with Copic markers. You can see here we have a fun little picnic basket that you can fill with all sorts of fun picnic items. We have some bread, a pie, a bottle of wine and a glass of wine, and some yummy fun treats. Now we'll take a look at some inspiration from the creative team featuring both the classic and premium kit option. We are also having a blog hop celebrating the release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration and pick up your kit today over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are gone and not restocked. Become a subscriber today to guarantee a kit, receive special discounts, and free shipping on your kit. Plus, sign up for our Hero Arts Rewards program to earn even more discounts and special offers. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.